Introducing the Sterling Collection from California Exotic Novelties, the first interchangeable mix and match assortment of plug-in jack controllers, bullets and sleeves, as well as independent stimulators designed for personalized sensual play. The Sterling Collection contains over 24 unique items, all available in individual packaging, so you can create the combination that fits you best. Or let us do the work for you with our pre-packed combo assortments. This, for example, is the sleek, silver-plated 7-function controller with an independent on-off button and a jack for bullet plug-in. You may choose to complement your 7-function controller with this powerful mini silver bullet with plug-in jack. Simply remove the bullet stimulator from the sophisticated packaging and plug into the jack on the controller. Next, select from our wide choice of sensually ribbed sleeves, such as these soft, stretchy, multi-use TPR sleeves that slip comfortably over your bullet selection for optimum arousal. All items are sold separately, and, best of all, you only need to purchase batteries once. In this case, 3 AA batteries for the controller. The combinations are numerous, diverse, and limited only by your imagination. Just pick your controller, pick your attachment, and then your favorite accessory. Choose this powerful 2-speed push-button controller, for instance, and add this slimline velvet coat bullet with plug-in jack. Or maybe this intense silver egg with plug-in jack. Or try a waterproof mini independent stimulator with handy retrieval cord. Here are a few of the bullets you can choose from in the Sterling Collection. Multiple function controllers with silver plating and plug-in jacks for bullet vibes. And our 2-packs of soft, stretchy, multi-use TPR sleeves and ticklers. And don't forget our 2-speed push-button independent stimulators. Or try one of the Sterling Collection combo packs, each pack featuring powerful multi-speed push-button controllers with standard or slimline plug-in silver bullets already included in your purchase. For maximum pleasure, we recommend a water-based lubricant or the all-purpose CalExotics brand Universal Lube, which is safe for all toys and materials and washes up easily with mild soap and a damp washcloth. Or CalExotics antibacterial toy cleaner. Cleaning is advised before and after each use. Never immerse the battery compartment in water. Mix and match to create the combination that fits your desires. Or leave the shopping to us with our deluxe combo packs. The Sterling Collection, only from California Exotic Novelties.